Good morning students. Today we will learn how to find or how to derive distance formula. Now to understand this, let us take a xy plane like this. Let us name this is x dash, this is O, that is origin, x, this is y, O and y dash, and let us take one point P, here it be, and name it as P as x1 comma y1, that is coordinate of point P. And let us take another point Q, its coordinate be x2 comma y2. Now to show them on graph, let us draw perpendicular, that is like this, name it as PL, and from Q we will draw perpendicular over x-axis, this is M. Similarly from P we will draw perpendicular over y-axis, that will meet at the point C. Similarly from Q we will draw perpendicular, that will meet y-axis at point D. Okay, now we want to find the distance between these 2 points, that is PQ. So in order to find the distance between these two, we will join this, extend this further at this point. Let us name this point as R. Okay, now if you notice that OL is x1 and OM here to here is x2. It means what is LM? LM is basically OM minus OL. What is OM? OM is x2. You can write OM is x2 and OL is x1. So LM will be what? LM will be x2 minus x1. Similarly, we can find for this y also that what is MQ? MQ is y2, and what is MR? MR is y1. So if then what is QR? QR is y2 minus y1. Okay, now we will apply Pythagoras theorem in the right angle triangle, because these are all perpendicular and these are parallel lines, so this is 90 and this is 90. So in triangle PQR we can say that in triangle PQR, if you apply the Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now perpendicular is QR and base is PR. Now we'll just put the values. What is QR? QR is y2 minus y1, so we'll write y2 minus y1 whole square. And what is PR? PR is same as LM. LM and PR is same because this is a rectangle and the rectangle opposite sides are equal. So in place of LM we can write PR, that is LM. What is LM? LM is x2 minus 1. So in place of this we can write x2 minus x1 square. And this is your PQ square. So if I take the square root, so I will get PQ as under root y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. You can also write it like this because in books you will find this as written as, it is one and the same thing, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. It's a one and the same thing. In this way the distance formula is derived.